Howdy, howdy, fiddle friends and bluegrass buddies. It's Mike Mitchell here from Floyd Music School and Mike Mitchell Band with another classic bluegrass fiddle break for Bluegrass Unlimited magazine. Really enjoy bringing these videos to you. Today we're going to have a look at Rain Please Go Away, the Alison Krauss fiddle break. It's in the key of B. There's some third position. There's a whole bunch of sliding. I would say this is definitely at the advanced level. If you are not sliding up and down, if you're not really comfortable with your fourth finger, it might not be the time for you to work on this break yet. Or it might be the time for you to work on the top line or the bottom line of the double stops, and not both of them yet. You can do these things piecemeal. But we are going to jump into the break as it was played on the album. Let's play it back at 80%. Right now, I'll play along with Miss Allison, and then we'll dig into it. Here we go! Hot dog. What a killer break. Checks all the boxes for me. A lot of blue notes, a lot of really killer double stops, major and minor third double stops. Of course, it's in the key of B for bluegrass. It's got some seesaw action. It's got some, it's got a really, really great tag, a really driving tag. I love the tag on it. Let's dig into it. Phrase 1. Da 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 ba da ba da ba. Right? Down, down. Make sure you slide. Now, we're in the key of B, so you might be tempted to try and go to a D sharp. But Miss Krauss keeps it bluesy and slides into a D natural under that F sharp, which is blue notes. It's perfect. I think we couldn't conceive of a better announcement for this break. Da 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 da. Phrase 2 begins with the triplet, and scoop both of those. Phrase 3 is it's sort of an echo of phrase 1. Now I'm going to recommend leaving the index finger down. You're in third position. Give yourself a place marker. Okay, don't be just out on a limb up there, because you've got this double stop way up high, which is sort of the high feature, it's the icing on the cake of this break, isn't it, really? So you want to make sure it's in tune. As in tune a third can be on my fiddle. And we're also going to scoop up into that. So back to phrase 3. After that slide, that's the money right there, my friends. Leave that index down and scoop if you like. So the next phrase begins with that big slide, big Vassar Clemens style slide there. We got a little seesaw action on phrase number, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So, and then the last phrase. Again. And then let's go to that driving tag, the major second. And a 4 slot. Love how it drives. Now, full disclosure, I'm 99% sure that on the album track, Miss Krauss did straight bowings on that last tag. I find it works better for me and suits me and makes me feel, I don't know, more rhythmic to do the bit of that drill shuffle. There we go. Let's play it together. Nice slow tempo. 1, 2, 3. Leave the finger down. There you have it. I hope you enjoy playing this. I hope it elevates your craft a little bit. As always, if you have any questions about anything, please catch me at floydmusicschool@gmail.com. And thanks.